my growth followed MongoDB growth, the same intensity. If I look back at Fernanda at 3.5 years ago, I would never imagine that I would be able to solve this amount of technical issues and helping my team on their cases as well. I first joined as a cloud support associate, then I got promoted to a cloud support engineer, and then now as a TS lead. Joining the technical services team is a very good opportunity if you like technical challenges, because we are the first line dealing with customers, so we are able to see actually what they are facing and bugs and problems and misconfigurations, so we actually have all this experience and exposure to customer problems. So the TS culture at MongoDB is a team where we can exchange lots of information, knowledge. It's a highly skilled people that work here. And even though people are busy working on customer needs, we still have make time to each other to help and collaborate as a team, which is very valuable for me. The interesting part of being in the technical services team is the ability to solve customers' issues and helping them on their painful times. So it's very exciting if you can be hands-on in a production down issue, for example, and helping them to fix it and to be fully operational again.